So hey guys, this is the Pixel Experience Plus Android 10 on the Samsung Galaxy J8. So you can see over here, this is running on Android 10 right now, and this is the Pixel Experience Plus. And yeah, actually the Android 11 for this one has an issue, and you can see this is the Samsung Galaxy J8 very well. So yeah, you have everything working on it, no issue. But the Android 11 has an issue that it does not has all the G apps, and if you try to make anything work, the keyboard will keep on failing. So that's why it's not kind of suitable. So if you want your old Samsung phone to have a stock Android look, you can just give it by this. So what we are going to do, we are just going to go into and hit power off. The device is going to shut off, and we are going to go through the installation process. This won't need any G apps as it is a Pixel experience. We are going to press the power up, volume up, and the power button. You can see over here it's written recovery, as over here you can see. And what we are going to do is going to go into Teen Ween Recovery Project, and I'm going to click over here never show again and allow modifications. You can see over here I have the ROM on the phone, Pixel Experience Plus, and I'm going to go back. First thing is I'm going to go into wipe. I'll just lower the brightness so that you can see very clearly. I'll go into wipe, don't hit on factory reset, go into advanced wipe. Dalvik system, don't clear the vendor. If you clear the vendor, the ROM will not boot. You'll be stuck in an inevitable boot loop which will make you, or which will force you to actually install your stock ROM back again, lock your bootloader, unlock it again, and the entire thing all over again. So you have to go, and here I'm not going to clear the internal storage as I have the ROM in there. I'm going to click on these Dalvik system data and cache, and I'm going to go for swipe to wipe. Once it's done, I'll go back into install. Install over here, you got the ROM. I'll click over here and just swipe to wipe, swipe to flash, and I'll let it get flash, and then I'll get back to you once it's done. In the meantime, I have been dropping videos regarding all kind of things. Like I've recently uploaded the video for the .os, and I have made a video on IPA files. So I've been trying to make content, but the amount of subscriber I have currently is not sufficient, as the views on my channels are quite high but the subscriber low. So I like you to subscribe my channel whenever you are watching, because I'll come up with these contents regularly. As of right now, I will be making videos on more devices. I'm trying to get hold of them. One of them is the Samsung Galaxy A21s, which is in repair, and if I get it, I'll be going for it. So yeah, I hope you like my content and you're going to support me at this. So as you can see right now, this is completed and we are going to move forward on this. So as you can see, it shows a device name, the security patch, the build, everything. And here you have to do nothing. Here you also don't have to flash after GSI if you have watched my previous video, as these are actually patched to the OS or patched to the device. So you don't need anything. If you want Magisk, you can flash Magisk 24.3 that I have link. I'll provide the link for it, and you can just download that file and flash the Magisk from there, as it is patched for this device specifically. And yeah, all you're going to do is reboot to system. Now all you have to do is wait. As you can see, it shows over here kernel. I'll just go over here and you can see it shows kernel. Kernel means it's going into the operating system, and that's great, because sometimes when there is an issue with the bootloader, or if there is an issue with the ROM flashing, what happens, your device will be stuck into recovery. It will keep on going into recovery to fix itself, or it might just automatically format itself. Now here you can see it shows the Google logo and it's already loading, so you have to wait while it's done, and you can see it's done. And here you are. As you can see, this is the Pixel Experience Plus Android 10. Yeah, you don't get a load of customization comparative to that, but the .os, in my opinion, .os is much better if you just get rid of all the bloat. There's and bloat if you get all rid of all the AOSP and you can just simply use the Google apps there. But this one is more cleaner as .os takes more storage. If I go into storage right over here, you can see it shows 8.52, while .os takes approximately 8.2. So it's not that much, but yeah, here it is. Thank you for watching Github.Untold. And please consider subscribing because I'm trying really hard to make these videos, and I'm trying to keep this device alive with whatever means possible. And each subscriber really appreciates. Thank you for watching.